Welcome. If you've ever visited a website on Chrome and noticed that you can't zoom in, don't worry, there's a simple fix for that. In this video, I'll show how to enable Force Zoom on Chrome using your mobile device. This quick setting allows you to pinch and zoom on any page, even if the site doesn't normally allow it. First, open your Chrome app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. That's your menu button. From there, scroll down and select Settings. You'll be taken to a page full of options that let you customize how Chrome works. Next, find and tap on Accessibility. This section is designed to help you adjust how content appears and behaves as you browse. It includes several features that make using Chrome more comfortable for every user. Under Accessibility, look for the option called Force Enable Zoom. You'll see a small toggle switch beside it. Turn that on, and just like that, Chrome will now let you zoom in on any website, no restrictions. This means you can pinch to zoom whenever you need a closer look, even on sites that normally block that ability. Once you've turned it on, you can go back to browsing as usual. Try visiting one of those pages where zooming used to be disabled and pinch your screen. You'll see it works instantly.